Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make room partition inside the wall. Okay, I have already prepared for the floor for the first. Then I would like to make wall for the first, and you can set the any thickness of the wall and any length of the wall. Then you have to push it up until maybe it's around 2500 millimeter or something like this. Then you have to make it group, and then you can make opening. You can make opening with rectangle anyway, or rotated rectangle. Is depend on your comfort for drawing it. And then you can just select the white area of the partition. Then you can push it back until it erase. Okay, and then you have to make a partition frame inside the wall. Then you can have to make a partition frame with rectangle, and then you have to set it inside around 50 millimeter, right? And then you have to erase it, and then you can push it to the back around 120 millimeter. Then you have to make it group, and then you can select wood veneer material to make it different than before. Then after that you can make some arrangement of the partition of the art and partition, and then you can use a push or pull to make arrangement. Okay, and then you can set the material also. Just make component and just create it, and then you can adjust the position with move and press control and move and press control, and you can repeat the all of step, something like this. Then you can rotate it to make better, and press control to duplicate and make an arrangement of it. You just select this, and then you can arrange it by you can make it unique first. So it will be separated from another component. Then you can select this object, and then you can press move and press control, and you can select another. You can make unique first for all this material. Okay, then you can set the position. You can set the position with a push, and yeah, it will be arrangement of the wall partition. Okay, and I hope you got a lot of advantage of this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.